A young fellow who came and met me recently who saved an older Muslim gentleman, right? These people were attacking the Muslim gentleman in Uttarakhand and he saved them. He's not a politician, but that's a fantastic political act, that I will not allow you to do this in my country. Right? So you have to start thinking not just that I'm a politician. You have to start thinking, okay, am I acting politically? This is a completely different thing. And everybody can act politically. In fact, you act politically all the time in your life. You see somebody getting bullied for no reason, or you see a poor person being treated badly, you can just look the other way and walk off and say, not my business, not a political act. Or you can say, wait a minute, why did you do that? That's a political act.